A message from Woody Guthrie. The crops are all in and the peaches are rotting. The oranges are packed in their creosote dumps. They're flying them back to the Mexican border. They pay all their wages to wade back again. My father's own father, he waded that river. They took all the money he made in his life. My brothers and sisters came working the fruit trees. They rode on the trucks till they laid down and died. Goodbye to my mom, goodbye, Rosalita, adios, mis amigos, Jesus and Maria. You won't have a name when you ride the big airplane. All they will call you will be deportee. Some are illegal and others not wanted. The work contract's out and we have to move on. It's 600 miles to the Mexican border. They chased us like outlaws, like rustlers, like thieves. We died in your hills and we died in your deserts. We died in your valleys, we died on your plains. We died in the trees and we died in the bushes. Both sides of the river we died just the same. Goodbye to my Juan, goodbye Rosalita, adios mis amigos, Jesus and Maria. You won't have a name when you ride the big airplane. All they will call you will be deportees. The sky plane caught fire over Los Gatos Canyon. Like a fireball of lightning, it shook all the hills. Who are these good friends that fallen like dry leaves? The radio says they are just deportees. Is this the best way we can grow our big orchards? Is this the best way we can grow our good fruit? Fall like the dry leaves and rot on the topsoil, and be known by no name except deportees. Goodbye to my Juan, goodbye, Rosalita, adios, mis amigos, Jesus and Maria. You won't have a name when you ride the big airplane. All they will call you will be deportees. All they will call you will be deportees.